What I will instantation here? Tell me, Giri. What I will need to instantation here? M21 or
Sir, and G DUT.
I will need to repeat more than combination 4. This is only R now. Only 4 combination will coming. I need to repeat more than. What I will pass here? Yes or I not I want? Tell me. Yes I am passing or I not?
Yes.
Which I will passing input? I not I one or S or AB? AB only because you are getting output and get truth table now, so you need to pass and get truth table. So A is equal to percentage B, B is equal to percentage B. Output. This is completed. I will do copy paste run file from this old one. I will open everything. Can anyone doubt? Let me know. Up to here. Complete now? Giri, Arthamana? What about Chandan Kumar? Are you understand? This is
Yes.
basic under using mux. Melvin?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Melvin, are you NRI or local?
No, I'm not local.
Local, okay.
No, I'm not local. I'm not local.
Oh, okay, no problem. We'll discuss later. See, I am running right now. Where is error? 16th line.
So 16th line.
Dot.
Out, sir, out.
Understand now? Right now in my output AND gate combination is AND gate to 100 to triple output need to require in 12 times same. See. Are you understand or not? Same you people do. What about online people? Are you understand output? I kept it in the GDM.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lavanya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me right now. Just I will delete. How I will do this one? This is AND gate now. I will do here OR gate only. How I will do?
Market. Yeah.
Based on this. This instantation only different. You told I explained it earlier. This is my OR gate. Tell me what is the connection for here? If you want, I will take one more file.
For OR gate, sir,
OR gate what is?
for S equal to 0, it's like I1 or L.
M0. I will take A1 or A2. What is my which pin is connected to I0? Okay. Copy paste it.
B.
This is my OR gate. It is selection line 0 I naught. This I naught connected to what?
B.
I1. Selection means yes sir. This one, this combination. Tell me this one only explain. I naught connected to I1.
A.
A.
Why connected to output only? This is my OR gate output now. This output. A, B are input, output. Right now, which is needed required in output there? Transcript window. See. See. This is OR gate or NAND gate, tell me you people. Lavanya, tell me 20th line.
So this is OR gate, sir. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 only you're getting.
Okay, you people know no AND gate and OR gate. You people do all gates, basic gates.
Okay.
Okay, I will ending session tomorrow. You people do complete up to 10. I will check.
So 1 minute.
Tell me.
In that initialization, in 17th line, if you put for I naught
Where?
value inside as 0, will the program still work? Like 1,
I1,
1.
what? 1 na?
Sorry, not that.
Wait.
No, not sir. That one should be B, but the next one should be 1.
This is B, this is 1 na?
Yeah.
Yes, we check. Okay. This is my output automatically 1 na? Answer. Instead of this, I will get size radix value 1, tick, P1. Okay, I will run right now. It will automatically work, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Understand that? Inside already B value is A na. That only I am applying instead of A I will assume. Or else you kept a single one also. See what it's showing. Okay na? Okay, I will ending. Please do complete assignment 1 tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
If anyone absent, I don't know. That admin team will take care. Regarding any doubt, just send message or call to in class time.
Yes, sir.